With more and more people becoming health conscious these days, the demand for vegetables, especially bitter gourd, has increased. Due to the many health benefits that bitter gourd possess, the market value of these vegetables is very high. Since it is only cultivated in few parts of the world, you can expect to get a good revenue by exporting them in the international market. Bitter gourd cultivation is profitable even with a small piece of land. Land preparation for bitter gourd farming. The land should be plowed 3 to 4 times to achieve a fine tilt. After that, you must mix farmyard manure to the soil. To sow the seeds directly, you need to dig out pits measuring 60 centimeters into 45 centimeters. You need to sow 4 to 5 seeds in each pit at 3 centimeters depth, and cover the pit with topsoil mixed with farmyard manure. Time of sowing of bitter gourd seeds. You can sow the seeds 2 times in a year. The best time to sow the seeds in January to March, and September to December. Seed rate and spacing in bitter gourd plants. Seeds are generally sown through the dibbling method, and a spacing of 1 meter into 1 meter needs to be followed. Soaking the seeds in growth regulating chemicals prior sowing enhances the growth of the seedlings. Irrigation methods in bitter gourd farming. You need not provide irrigation when the soil is moist, or during rainy days. Irrigation needs to be carried out every 3 to 4 days. At the time of fruit and flower formation, it is better to provide irrigation every alternate day. During heavy rains or flood, the proper drainage system is required to drain away excess water. Manure and fertilizer application in bitter gourd farming. Well, rotten farmyard manure application is important at the time of soil preparation. After that, you must apply appropriate quantities of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium at regular periods to supplement the soil. It is always advised to apply organic manure and biofertilizers in addition to chemical fertilizers, so that fertility of the soil is maintained. Pollination in bitter gourd farming. Bees are the main pollinating agents, but it cannot manage to do the pollination via bees. You can also apply manual pollinating process. You need to do manual pollination in the daytime, while the plant is flowering. Pest and diseases control in bitter gourd plants. Plants belonging to curbing family are susceptible to various diseases. Bitter gourd is no such exception. Powdery mildew, dinocap or carbendazim spray, aphid imidacloprid spray, mites, dicophil spray, beetles and caterpillars, malathion spray, downy mildew, mancozeb or chlorination spray. Harvesting bitter gourds. You can harvest bitter gourds after 60 to 65 days of seed sowing. To market the fruits, you need to harvest the fruits when they are tender and young. Unless you want to harvest the seeds, you must not leave the fruits in the vines to ripe them. The harvesting should done every alternate day, early in the morning. You need to pluck the fruits carefully from the vines.